Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Rocket League and signing into the account you'll use. This ensures your settings and friends list are available. Once signed in, go to Play, then Custom Games, and pick Create Private Match. This is where you control rules. You pick the playlist and map first because those determine pace and collision behavior. Then set mode, soccer, hoops, rumble, player slots, and match length so everyone knows expectations before inviting players. Once the lobby exists, configure permissions and rules so the match runs how you want. You should set lobby type, invite only for private sessions, open to friends for casual drops, or public for quick matchmaking. This affects who can join. Then tweak match rules, boost amount, gravity, ball type, respawn, and overtime to shape gameplay. After rules are set, send invites or share the join code. Make sure players confirm ready so the match doesn't start with missing participants. When everyone is ready, start the match and monitor connections. Unstable NATs or packet loss will show as lag or drops, so watch the player list. During play, use the scoreboard and quick replays to resolve disputes or analyze key moments. This helps enforce rules and improve fairness. Once done, return to the lobby to rematch or adjust settings. If something goes wrong, recreate the lobby, check NAT/firewall on consoles or PC, and restart Rocket League.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.